The price of one Fetch coin right now is $1.11. It has lost 7% in the past 24 hours. The price of Fetch ended higher than it started 49.2% of the time. One Fetch has ever been sold for as much as $3.27 in our base. That was 3 months ago, and the price is now minus 659.33% lower than that high point. Out of 17 technical indicators, only 2 say to buy and 12 say to sell. This means that short-term predictions are bearish, based on technical price research. The first big rising resistance for Fetch is at $1.17. It needs to close above that level to keep going up. The bottom support is at $1.11. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $1.11. If it can close above $1.17, on the other hand, it can go up to the next level of support, at $1.36. The Relative Strength Index, or SI, for the last 14 days is at 34.70, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, or SI, for the weekly chart is at 51.98, which also shows that the market is acting normally. Exponential moving averages show a bearish sign on the daily chart. The price of Fetch is below all exponential moving averages right now, 3 times out of 6. The price of Fetch on the last day of July was higher than the open price. 3 times out of 6, the price was lower than the price at the beginning of the month. In the 6 years before this one, October has been the best month for Fetch. 4 times as much Fetch was worth at the end of October as it was at the beginning of the month. 5 times out of 6, the price at the end of April was less than the starting price. April is the worst month. For more information, look at monthly results. The first all-time high for Fetch was in March 2019, and the price quickly dropped to $0.0110, its lowest point in 381 days. This was followed by the second bull run, which took about 2 years since March 2019 to hit a new all-time high. There have been 1,031 days since the last bull run in September 2021. It took 902 days for Fetch to hit a new all-time high the last time. Our Fetch price estimate says that the price of Fetch could reach $1.30 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think that the price will be $3.45 in 2025 and $6.52 in 2030. Even more, the prediction for 2040 is $19.95. Taking into account all past highs and lower time frame predictions, I think the price of Fetch will be $3.45 in 2025. That's the highest price we think Fetch will go to, and $2.61 is the lowest price we think it will go to. Fetch sightings for the next few days. 07 Sunday, July the 30th, 2024, $1.30. 08 Monday, July the 30th, 2024, $1.28. 09 Tuesday, July the 10th, 2024, $1.27. Wednesday, July the 10th, 2024, $1.26. Thursday, July the 11th, 2024, $1.25. Friday, July the 12th, 2024, $1.24. Saturday, July the 13th, 2024, $1.23. Sunday, July the 14th, 2024, $1.22. And Monday, July the 15th, 2024, $1.21.